I've made tens of thousands of dollars on social media. For proof, here's one of my YouTube automation channels that has made $12,000 in the past year. Here's my juggling channel that's made over $2,000 just this month. And I have many other channels that have also made thousands of dollars. So I've tested how many times can you actually post per day without it hurting how well you do on social media. And the answer is going to surprise you because we found that as long as your content is good, it doesn't really matter that much. For example, this was our YouTube automation channel and it peaked in how much revenue we made around January of last year. And at this time, we decided to just keep increasing the frequency of videos that we posted until something bad happened. And nothing bad pretty much ever happened. We started with one post a day and we kept doing this until we got monetized. And since we were doing YouTube automation, it didn't have a face in it. So we realized we can pay our editor $5 to make this video, but it makes us back more than $5 on average. So why don't we just keep posting more videos? So we went from 1 a day to 2 a day to 3 a day to 4 a day, and even at one point we were posting 5 videos a day, and I think that was around in the peak of how many videos we were posting, and we were still making a positive return on the amount of shorts that we were uploading a day. The core thing that actually matters is whether or not the videos are high quality. And so since at this time we were able to put out good quality videos and we were able to do 5 of them a day, we were able to keep getting more and more and more views and make more and more and more money from this. So I know I've seen it from my own channel and other people's channels that you can post at least 5 times a day and be completely okay in terms of how many views you're getting and how much money you're making. The limit on YouTube is posting 10 times a day per account. So, I mean, you can't really get past there, but I encourage you guys to experiment more than that. But no, you're going to be okay if you post more than 1 time a day. So that's something that's important to understand. And I have actual data to back up that we were posting a lot at this time and still we were seeing some of the highest revenue that we've ever seen on our channel. So with that being said, this channel is dedicated to giving you the best sauce on social media. And so if you're trying to make money and get views on organic social, I highly recommend subscribing because you're getting an authentic scoop from someone who's actually done these things, not someone who's lying or is fake in any way. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next videos. Thank you so much for watching and peace.